Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to get into the update of what I got going on. Of course, if you don't know, check out our last video that I talked about how to mine Bitcoin for free. And today's video, I'm just here to give an update. You want to make sure you always earning free Bitcoin on Ember. If you don't know what Ember is, make sure you click that first link in the description down below. Also, there's a access code that you can insert, so you can get 2.5 and I can get 2.5 Satoshis extra, and so we can add that on every time we click the mine button. Currently, I gotta click my button. Matter of fact, let me put y'all on the screen real quick. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, so right now we at 3,342 Satoshis. I click start earning. Now we are up at 22.5 an hour. So that means for the next 24 hours, I'm going to be earning, let's see, 22.5 times 24. I'm going to be earning about 540 Satoshis within the next hour, which is very, very good. Then I'm also going to click this, and I'm going to learn. This is how you learn once a day. You click one of the articles and you just dive deep into what they want to talk about, whatever they want to give you. Own shares of Ember Fund. Hey Ember crew, we're super excited to offer you the Ember community of opportunity to invest in the Ember Fund through an equal crowdfunding campaign pre-launch. Why are we doing this? Community first. I do like this. So that means you get to invest in early before it makes the stock market. So I like this. Community first. Our core mission has always been to I better say the wrong word. That's why I'm pronouncing. Well, I need help. Hold up. I need help. I'm gonna be honest. I need help. Oh, there you go. I need help on this one. And I'm pretty sure I know how to say it too. Oh, I know how to say it too. I'm gonna be so hurt. I'm gonna be so hurt. Yeah, I need help. Democratize, so I was right. Okay. I didn't want to be wrong. To democratize early investing opportunities for everyone, not just the rich or accredited investors. We want to reward customers who have been with us from the beginning. We will be listed on republic.com/emberfund for the next 30 days with a fundraising goal of $250,000. Republic is an investment crowdfunding platform that has raised crowdfunding capital for SpaceX, Robinhood, Dapper Labs. With as little as $50, you will be able to invest and own and share an Ember Fund through our SEC registered regular CF offering. We already raised $308,775 in the past 13 days. International credit card payments have now been enabled. Ooh. Oh, so they give you Satoshis. I clicked on something that I ain't even know. This is a gem right here. Dang, that's dope. Okay. And they say the airdrop rewards will be distributed when the campaign is complete. there's the link to invest in Ember. In addition, Nick Morton at Data Dash YouTube channel is also running a crowdfunding campaign on WeFunder for his app Digital Fox, which allows people to receive part of their paycheck in Bitcoin and start earning interest on it immediately. He has already raised $666,892 with 11 more days to go. Oh wow, this is very neat. That's very neat. I didn't even know this video was gonna be like this, but I'm glad I clicked on it and made this video. So in this video was about how to invest in Ember Fund early within the stock market and earn free Bitcoin. So it's like a 2-for-1, and it's gonna be available for the next 30 days, and it's gonna be $50 a share early. Jarvis Squad, I got some things, I got a promise to make to y'all. I got to get back to posting daily. So day one, this is what we're gonna be getting to. Day one, I do have to rewatch a video talking about how to copy where people move their money. I'm probably gonna slow down on sports betting just a little bit. Probably just gonna do like $30 one time a week, and work with that. And all of that's gonna start next month for sure. So for the rest of the things that I got going on, I'm just make sure I focus on where to put your money on, where to invest your money in, and then everything else gonna slowly roll out. So just bear with me right now. I'm slowly getting back into the groove of things. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my Ember link in the first, my Ember link in the description down below. Make sure you download that. Then I also have my access code in the description down below as well. You would need that to receive the extra 2.5 Satoshis. I get an extra 2.5, you get an extra 2.5. Make sure you share with your friends and family so they can start earning as well, and you can earn as well. And after tonight, we just learned that you can invest in it early, which is pretty dope, because I never been a part. I always wanted to be a part of a company early on. So I'm gonna be telling my mom about it and things like that. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna be telling my friends. So that's something that that's gonna be very, very cool to get on board with, and just ride it and see how this all unfolds. Draw Squad, y'all have a good night. Chase way out. Peace.